Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Delhi for a day. I have tried vlogging through it as much as I could. I've just woken up so you can ignore my face and voice. And I have ordered garlic bread from Zepto Cafe because Shivani told me to try it. So I'm going to try that. She also told me to try Luto Cafe's Vietnamese coffee. So I don't know if I'll be able to try that today. But I will try. I'm making no promises. It's 12 and I haven't eaten anything because I haven't been sleeping for the past 3-4 days. I've only slept 8 hours combined, I guess. 3 days. 4 days is an exaggeration, but since the past 3 days I have only slept for 8 or 9 hours. So I just slept properly last night. I'm sitting in front of the lamp because of the light, and this is a guitar which I can move, but you can see me, right? So doesn't matter. And I'm going to yap a little bit because it's been a while since I've posted something. So this is me yapping. You can skip through it if you want. Everything depends on whether my sister comes back home in time so that we can go out, and if she has the energy to go out, although I will convince her to go out with me because I can really use a good day where I can look cute, go eat. I will see you when my order arrives. So I took a train, got into an auto, reached my sister's place, got into a cab, got into a flight, took an auto again, did some work that I had to do, got into a flight again, and reached Delhi. And I did all of that in just 2 days, and that is why I looked like this. Look at me struggle trying to get the straw in the coffee cup. Okay, taste test. It's actually good. I like it. It's really good. This coffee is really good, guys.
Your mom, is she a lady legend?
Winter is my favorite time of the year, and one day you just wake up and realize that there's a sudden shift in the smell of the air. The sun is gentler on your skin at 4 pm, and it's almost time for the valley. Yay! This vlog is basically about me eating my way through life. Okay, so we are going out, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm not wearing this at the bottom. Let me go get changed into what I'm actually wearing. I can't seem to do a fit. My dark circles are showing. I can't seem to do a fit check. But my makeup is done. I have accessorized. Would you like to come in my vlog? Oh! You light? नीचे से आ रही है. This is my fit. I'm going to do my model walk. I'm going to go with a slick hairstyle or not. This hairstyle looks a little better. Oh god. This hairstyle looks a little bit better than before. To leave my hair down. Yeah, that's more. I have my bus. Yeah, bus because I didn't get any tickets for 10 and we are going out and it's 6. Say something for my vlog.
I will. Get out of my way.
ये हरा पीला लाइट लाना है. We are in a rickshaw, guys. Wow.
Welcome to Euphoria Light.
Where are we going?
Wherever you're taking me.
What? We are going to Naturals to eat ice cream. A moment for my Diwali outfit, please. Please. It is Diwali today. I'm eating too much mithai. This is motichur ka laddu, this is kalakand, gulab jamun and balushai. And I love mithai, so yeah, I'm going to eat all of it. Hi guys, it's finally Diwali. I came to Labad on Wednesday and today is Monday. Everyone is looking at me.
No, again, do it again. So rude, do it again.
Yes, I'm
Hello, guys.
Who do you want to say something for my vlog?
बोलो मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली हैप्पी दिवाली से
हैप्पी दिवाली
नहीं जो ऊपर जा रहे थे
हैप्पी दिवाली
सबके लिए
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए है हैप्पी दिवाली
सारे सितारे सबके लिए Happy Diwali. See, Sanya Di has decorated and Shubhu also has decorated.
This is all my hard work. Only Rangoli is hers.
And then everyone just burned crackers or fireworks and I just watched because I'm all for let's save the environment, guys. You guys know how nice I am. Another day, another sleep. Sorry. So we went to watch a movie and then you guys obviously know what we did. We went to eat. Before you judge how much I go out, this is from 3 days later and I just went to meet my girlfriend. We did a quick little fit check and can you tell we ate? No, literally we ate. Okay guys, this is it for this vlog. I'll see you soon. Sorry, cut this. Okay. Welcome back to Unnati's vlog.
हमारे चैनल का नाम है
Like, share and subscribe.